Welcome back to All About Food. If you're new here, hello, I'm Christie.
In this week video, I'm going to teach you how to make Papayang Okoy. We need green papaya, cut into half, remove the seeds, peeled and cut into quarters. Shred or grate your papaya, measure, and use what you need. We need 1 tablespoon patis, dash of white pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 medium shredded red onions, cooking oil, 4 cloves shredded garlic, 1/4 cup cornstarch and 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup shredded carrots, 2 cups shredded green papaya, cheese grater, vegetable peeler, measuring spoon, turner, mixing bowl, and a pan. Mix all the ingredients. 2 cups shredded green papaya, 1 medium shredded red onions, 4 cloves shredded garlic, 1/4 cup shredded carrots, mix all the ingredients, add salt, a dash of white pepper, one tablespoon patis, mix all the ingredients. Add 1/4 cup cornstarch and 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. Preheat the pan. Pan fry your Papayang Okoy. To know more about this and other recipe, you may follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Fry until golden brown on both sides. Serve with spiced vinegar. There you have it, Papayang Okoy.
If you're looking for food delivery service here in Rizal, please visit Magical Food Services. The link is in the description down below. Thank you very much to all my subscribers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're new here. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.